Good afternoon. May I speak with Mrs. Smith?
Yes, this is she.
Hi, Mrs. Smith. My name is John, calling from MetLife Insurance Company. How are you today?
Oh, I'm doing well, thank you.
That's great. I'm calling to share some insurance options that might be good for you and your family. We offer life insurance, health coverage, and accident protection. Have you considered any of this recently?
Well, I've been thinking about life insurance recently.
Life insurance is a great choice. Can you tell me what you're looking for in a plan?
I want to make sure my family is covered.
Our plans are affordable and flexible, tailored to your needs.
That sounds good, but I'm concerned about the cost.
Starting coverage now is usually more affordable and you have peace of mind knowing your family is protected. I can see you more details. Would email or text be better?
Email is fine.
That's great. Can I have your email account?
My email account is ansmith at email.com.
Thank you for that, Mrs. Smith. I will send the details shortly. If you have any concern or question, feel free to reach out. Have a great day.
Thank you. Have a good day.